This Orostachys Aggregatum is an absolute beast. It comes back every year. I'm in zone 6, so you might think it's dead, but just wait until the spring and it starts coming back. It's got really cool flowers too. It's getting ready to flower. It's really easy to propagate. You literally just pinch one of these off, stick it in the ground, and it will come back. It will root, I should say. I believe I have some, let's see, some down here I did that with. Where are they? It's just a couple of them. Yeah, these right here. Yep, these were just little props. Just pulled one of these guys off, stuck it in the ground, and there you go. So easy to propagate, comes back, fills in a spot beautifully. Absolutely love it. It's a really cool plant. I like all the Orostachys. Really like dunce cap. But this is probably my favorite. Anyway, check it out if you can find one. If you enjoyed this video, you know what to do. And I'm so grateful that you do it. Thanks for watching. And you have the best day possible.